Hey, what's up? What's up, everybody? Here to do another video. This is a pair of pants that I ended up getting more of the athletic wear. These are going to be, which I'll unbox in a second. It's from Nike. I'm all about comfort, and let's do it. Let's do it. At some point, I'll do a video with the look I have. I'm not gonna put it on. I'm all about just relaxing, chilling out, and just unwinding and just doing these videos in first person. Maybe one day I'll do like a picture of the looks and everything else, but for now, or just, you know, do the combinations of the looks I'm putting together as far as when it comes to what I end up getting and going from there. I like the keys because I don't really cut myself with the key, and I don't have to basically hurt myself with anything else, so I like to do that. Keep it safe, you know, simple. I keep on always thinking that they were black. They're not black, they're gray. And you'll see what it is in a moment. As you can see, they're new. Got them on sale, actually. They were discounted. And I had some gift cards, so I appreciate, you know, that part of it. So just in case, if you get a sneak peek at the price tag, that wasn't the price I paid. So let's take a look at these. These are Sacai jogger pants, and so different. You know, again, this is something that I like. I like this whole style. I like the way Chitose Abe does her stuff. So it's just so interesting and so different. I mean, a lot of them have this look, but if you look at them, this is one part of the, when you look at it, I bought it on, what was this? I bought extra large. But when you look at this, you have this button over here, and then you have this belt. Sorry, you have this button over here, and then you have this belt, pretty much like a belt to lock in. It has expandable elastic material on the inside. Pockets, let's see, what kind of pockets are these? They're not zip pockets, so you just have these pockets with the inside. Have this nylon, which is good. Let's see this other pocket. Okay, they're not zipper pockets. I'm a big fan of zipper pockets. That way things just don't fall out. You know, for the brands, you know, I know not everybody likes them, but when you wallets, things like that, just not falling out, phones, zipper pockets, I'm all for that. And you have this nice over here. It's all the way down. You have the Nike Sacai. So I'll try and get as much light as possible. So again, over here you have the Nike, and then on this side you have the Sacai. Let's look at the back pocket for a second. All right, and over here you have it. Look, it has like that recycled material look, and this is like a, it's like a little rubber plastic swoosh. It's not stitched in. No, it's not stitched in. It's like glued on or heated on. On the bottom, you have this, which is so, again, this is where I love this brand. You know, when you get a chance to buy it through Nike, I know it may be expensive, but you're gonna get something that you just don't always see everywhere. And quality. It's not cheap. So you have this over here. It's not anything you can detach, so that's the cool thing about that. And let's go back to over here. So the back pocket, again, This is, again, and on the button, if you look at the detail, in the button it does say Sacai on the button too. Again, it's a button pocket, back pocket. You have another back pocket over here, so you have 2 back pockets. So basically, you have 4 pockets overall with this nice elastic band on the inside. Again, I'm just trying to show. You have the tag over here, made in China, Nike, Sacai, and I'm trying to see as far as. I'm always looking for how to take care of stuff, when you do the wash and dry, and sometimes you shouldn't be washing. I'll eventually find out. I think I had it there, but yeah, but these are nice. And then you have this pull tab, like by the pocket actually, a little bit outside the pocket. Now these are nice. I just kept on thinking they're black because I think black would go so well. At some point I'm gonna do a video on a coat that I have, which I just want to just have everything go in place as far as when it comes to that. Okay, here we go. Sorry. Other thing over here. So you have, the front. Sorry, but I forgot about that. It is a zipper. So the zipper over here. Again with the button. So again, that's good. And there's a lot of different things over here when it comes to this, and I believe that the front of this is actually has a drop to it. So it'll be, at some point I'll try these on, which will make it cool. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and of course, any comments, please subscribe, pass the word on. Again, I try to do a variety of unboxings, just not always sneakers. It's always good that there's a look that should go along with sneakers. Sometimes basic, other times things, other times just whatever things you want to put on. But I always think that it's important to kind of have that. Sneakers, of course, are very important, but it's also important to have something good to go along with what you have. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video. I have a lot, like t-shirts and tops and so on and so forth, and it's a lot of things we've been trying to catch up on. So check Nike.com. They're on there. I believe they're on sale these days. And again, the longer they stay, the better. That gives you a better chance of getting even a better deal as prices drop. Again, it's not for everybody, and I don't mean it in a bad way. It's just the style that everybody may like. Some people like just, some of us like the more traditional stuff. I like to see something different, something that you just don't always get to see, and it kind of separates you sometimes. It's always good to be different. And another time, just it's fine to be a hype beast and put on whatever. But this is a brand I like. I bought a coat last year from them. That just kept me warm all last year. So again. Guys, thanks for watching. Check out the videos. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.